Hey everyone, welcome back to Technify. We've got an exciting one for you today. In this video, we're diving into the latest rumors swirling around DJI's rumored new release, the DJI Osmo 360. If the buzz turns out to be accurate, this could be a major leap forward in the world of 360 degrees cameras. DJI has built a solid reputation for their top-tier drones and action cams, and now it looks like they're getting ready to enter the 360 camera scene, currently dominated by brands like Insta360 and Ricoh. The Osmo 360 is expected to merge DJI's signature features, like outstanding stabilization, smart shooting modes, and dependable build quality, with cutting-edge tools designed for immersive content. We're breaking down all the leaks, features, and possibilities in today's video, so stay tuned. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or tech enthusiast, this is a camera you'll definitely want to keep an eye on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get into it. According to recent leaks, the DJI Osmo 360 could mark DJI's debut in the full 360 degrees camera market. And it's coming at just the right time. Immersive video is rapidly becoming the norm, with more creators pushing into virtual reality and interactive formats. If DJI brings their well-known reliability and innovation to this space, it could reshape what's possible in 360 content creation. Leaked images suggest the Osmo 360 will feature a sleek, compact design, something in line with what we've seen from the Osmo Pocket or Action series. Portability appears to be a priority, with a smooth, hand-friendly body that's easy to take anywhere. There's also talk of a built-in side touchscreen for quick framing and setting adjustments, plus a rugged and water-resistant build, perfect for creators on the go, whether that's a beach, a mountain trail, or even in the rain. One of the most exciting features is its expected dual-lens setup. These ultra-wide lenses would work together to capture seamless 360 degrees video and photos. Sources suggest it could shoot at 8K 30 frames per second and 5.7K 60 frames per second, which would place it firmly among the top-tier 360 cameras. For creators chasing clarity and visual impact, that's a big win. The camera may also include a wide f/2.0 aperture to enhance performance in low-light scenarios. So whether you're filming indoors, at sunset, or under cloudy skies, the footage should still look impressive. Now let's talk stabilization, something DJI is already famous for. The Osmo 360 could come equipped with a hybrid stabilization system that blends hardware like gyroscopes with advanced software algorithms. The result: smooth, shake-free footage whether you're walking, biking, or running with the camera. On the smart features front, DJI might be pushing things even further. There are whispers of subject tracking that works across a full 360 degrees field. That means the camera could intelligently follow your subject, even if they move behind you or out of your initial frame. Additional modes like time-lapse, hyperlapse, and motion-lapse are also expected, giving creators more creative flexibility. Another major bonus? Rumors suggest users will be able to export traditional widescreen videos from their 360 footage. This means you can capture everything around you and decide later which angles or perspectives to highlight. Perfect for storytellers who want options in post-production. As for battery life, the Osmo 360 might last up to 2.5 hours per charge, which is solid for a 360 camera. And with USB-C fast charging support, creators can quickly get back in action when the battery runs low. On the software side, DJI is reportedly updating their mobile app, possibly with a new version of the DJI Mimo app. Expect in-app editing tools, automatic stitching, color correction, and easy sharing to social media. And yes, some reports suggest that live streaming capabilities in full 4K 360 degrees might be in the mix. That could be huge for live vloggers, educators, and event streamers. All in all, DJI seems to be positioning the Osmo 360 as a high-end tool for immersive creators, with professional-level performance packed into a portable form. And that wraps up everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo 360. If even half of these features make it into the final release, this could become one of the most exciting 360 degrees cameras on the market. With high-resolution video capture, intelligent tracking, exceptional stabilization, and a rugged, compact design, the Osmo 360 could seriously shake up the competition. At Technify, we're definitely looking forward to seeing how it stacks up in real-world use, and we'll be ready to test it as soon as it drops. Let us know in the comments, what feature are you most excited about? Do you think DJI can compete with the current 360 leaders? If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you're always up to date with our latest tech news, reviews, and guides. Thanks for watching Technify. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay inspired.